Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video I have shared over 80 shabby chic kitchen ideas. Let's continue exploring these charming and cozy designs together. In this video we delve into the enchanting world of shabby chic kitchen design, presenting over 80 captivating ideas to inspire and delight. From distressed furniture to vintage accents, this collection showcases the timeless elegance and rustic charm that define the shabby chic aesthetic. Whether you are seeking to infuse your kitchen with a sense of warmth and nostalgia or simply looking for creative design inspiration, these ideas are sure to spark your imagination. Join us as we explore the artful fusion of vintage allure and modern functionality and discover how you can transform your kitchen into a heaven of timeless beauty and cozy sophistication. So, in this video, we meticulously curate a diverse array of shabby chic kitchen ideas ranging from subtle, understated designs to bold, eclectic arrangements. Each idea is meticulously presented, offering a detailed look at the intricate details and thoughtful touches that define the shabby chic style. From distressed cabinetry to delicate floral patterns, from vintage kitchenware to whimsical decor, this collection is a treasure trove of inspiration for anyone seeking to infuse their kitchen with a touch of rustic elegance and old world charm. Whether you are a seasoned enthusiast of shabby chic design or a newcomer looking to explore its timeless appeal, this video promises to be a delightful journey through the enchanting world of vintage inspired kitchen. So I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and stay tuned. Bye bye.